council member, I've been city controller, and now mayor. The first person in Houston's history to actually walk through those steps. So I've had a lot of time to examine what we do well as a city, what we do less well. We are going to significantly increase the amount of renewable energy that we as a city use. I want to go from the oil and gas capital of the world to the energy capital of the world. And even farther, I want to be the green and renewable energy capital of the world. We are a city built on a hot, humid, swampy coastal plain. We are probably the most air-conditioned city in the world. We are an automobile city built on the horizontal rather than the vertical. And we sprawl over 640 square miles just in the city of Houston, with our entire growth pattern built around freeways and the automobile. Well, if you're going to tackle energy efficiency, you might as well do it in a place that is a profligate user of energy. And when you make a difference there, you can make a difference that's significant. We have embraced as a city renewable energy. We are the largest municipal purchaser of renewable energy. About a third of our energy use for the city comes from renewable sources. We are rapidly growing on the list of energy efficient buildings, LEED certified buildings. I think we're number 8. We want to be number 1, and we're pursuing it aggressively.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
One of the things that inspires Houstonians that we talk about a lot is that the very first word heard from the surface of the moon was Houston. Houston, Tranquility Base here, the Eagle has landed. We can imagine it. We are always willing to try to get there. Well, I can imagine a Houston in which half of the energy we use or more comes from renewable sources. I can imagine a Houston where if we're going to be a car city, that's great, but those vehicles are going to be non-polluting electric vehicles. We want to be the most electric vehicle friendly city in America in the very near future, and we are putting things in place to do that. We can be both what we were and what we aspire to be, and we're doing it. Our longtime slogan is, the business of Houston is business. And so you have to make the business case. And maybe it might cost more in the short term, but let's look over the long term and do a real cost-benefit analysis of the changes that we're asking people to make. We're going to do it because it's the smart thing, because it makes business sense, and it's the right thing.